Topic exercise 11.2, question number 6, 7, 8. Question number 6, DL and BM are the heights on sides AB and AD respectively of parallelogram ABCD. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeter square, AB equal to 35 centimeter and AD equal to 49 centimeter. Find the length of BM and DL. Okay. Here in this question already given its area. What is the area of this ABCD? 1470 centimeter square. AB given and AD also given, but not given DL and BM. Heights on this sides, it is not given. Okay. Then using the area 1470 centimeter square, we can calculate DL and BM. How can you write the first sentence? First statement, area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Okay. First you consider AB as a base and height on that side is equal to what? DL. But AB into DL equal to, what's the area of this ABCD? Already given the 1470 centimeter square. Now we consider AB as a base and DL height. Okay. AB equal to what? 35 into DL equal to what? 1470. DL equal to 1470, 35 moving to this side divided by 35. Multiplication becomes what? Division by transposing method. 1470 divided by 35. Here what is it? 35 into 4. 4 times 140. 7 bring down 7, 70. 70 how many times? 2 times 70. DL equal to what? 42 centimeter. Okay. Next we have to calculate BM. Okay. Area of the parallelogram, same area of the parallelogram equal to base into height. Okay. But now AD as a base, BM height. AD into BM equal to same area 1470 centimeter square. AD equal to what? 49 into BM equal to what? 1470 centimeter square. Okay. BM equal to what? 1470 divided by 49 moving to this side by transposing method divided by 49. Here 1470 divided by 49. 1470 divided by 49. 49 into 3. 147. Equal to 30 centimeter. BM equal to 30 centimeter. Next, triangle ABC is right angled at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 13 centimeter and AC equal to 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. Here these two AB angle A equal to 90 degree means what? AB and AC are perpendicular to each other. Okay, that means AB area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height. Here you consider AB as a base, height equal to what? AC as a height. But AB 1 by 2 into AB into AC equal to what? 1 by 2 into AB equal to 5 into 12. 2 and 12 you can cancel 6 times 30 centimeter square. Area equal to 30 centimeter square. Using the same area, next you consider BC as a base and AD height. Okay. Then next one, what's it? Area of triangle, one more time you write it, half BH. Okay. This time we should consider BC as a base. BC into AD, that is equal to half into BC into AD equal to what? Area equal to what? 30 centimeter square. We already calculated what? 30 centimeter square area. Next one, half into, what is BC? BC already given. What is the BC? 13 centimeter into AD equal to 30. 30 by 2 into AD equal to 30. AD equal to what? 30. 30 divided by 30 by 2. 13 by 2. 30, take the reciprocal, 2 by 30 equal to 60 by 30. 60 divided by 13. 13 into 5. 65. 13 into 4. 52. 8.80. 13 into 7. 91. 13 into 6. 78. 20. 4.61 centimeter. AD equal to 4.61 centimeter. Find the length of AD. AD equal to what? 4.61 centimeter. Next, 8th question. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB equal to AC equal to 7.5 centimeter and AB 7.5 centimeter, AC also 7.5 centimeter, BC 9 centimeter, the height AD 6 centimeter from A to BC. Okay. Find the area of triangle ABC. Next, what will be the height from C to AB? That is CE. We have to calculate this CE also. That means H, height on that side A. Okay. First you calculate the area of triangle ABC. That time you should consider BC as a base and height equal to AD. Okay. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay. What is the half into, what is the base? Base you should consider BC into height equal to what? AD equal to what? What is that? What's the answer? half into BC equal to 9 into 6. 2 and 6 you can cancel 3, 27 centimeter square. Okay. Using this area we can calculate the height also. Next you consider what's the area, what's the area of triangle, same thing, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. But now you should consider AB as a base and height equal to what? CE. 1 by 2 into AB into CE equal to, we already calculate the area of triangle. Okay, what is the area of triangle? 27. One by 2 into AB equal to what? 7.5 into CE equal to 27. 7.5 divided by 2 into CE equal to 27. CE equal to 27 divided by 7.5 by 2 equal to what? CE equal to 27 into 2 by 7.5 equal to 27 into 2 into 10 divided by, you can remove the decimal point, 7.5 into 10. Okay, become what? 27 into 2 into 10 divided by 75 equal to what? 27 into 2 into 10 divided by 75, 54, 540 divided by 75, 540 divided by 75, 75 into 7, 525, 7 times 525, 5, 3, 150, 0.150, what's it? 2, 7.2 centimeters.